Yes. Happy morning, children. Hope you all are doing good and welcome back to social class after your Vinayagar Chaturthi. Hope you all are refreshed. Okay, fine, children. In the last class, what are all the concepts we have learned, children? Yes, with the same chapter, that is French Revolution. What are all the concepts we have learned? We understood about France and its administration, that is monarchy, and we knew about Louis XVI and then and his administration also we understood. And then how the people have been divided in the France, that also we have seen in the 18th century. And then we have seen the three category of people, that is clergy, nobility and the peasants, that is the remaining others, the third estate people. Okay, and then we understood about the privileges, that is the advantages which has been given to those people. Okay, first two estate people were enjoying the privileges by birth itself, but coming to the third estate people, they were not. Okay, and then we understood that the third estate people were struggling a lot because of this kind of administration, and only the third estate people were supposed to pay the taxes. Okay, apart from that, in today's class, apart from that, whatever we have seen, increasing in the taxes, what was the main reason or the cause for increasing of the taxes, children? Because of the lavish lifestyle of the Louis XVI, and then yes, he helped the 13 American colonies to get free or freedom from the common enemy Britain. So he spent for that also, and the long continuous wars. So these are all the reasons what happened. The treasure of this, the Louis XVI has been reduced. Okay, so that is the reason to maintain his, the administration and whatever, to compensate the expenses. What he planned to increase the taxes. Okay, only the third estate people were supposed to pay the tax. So it was a decision should not be taken by the single person, that is Louis XVI. So that is the reason he arranged. What he has arranged? Yes, a state general meeting or the assembly. Okay, there all the people came, all the three estate people were there, and the voting system, how they were following, children? One, the estate, one vote. But what was the third estate demand in that assembly? They were demanding for, yes, all the people should get the voting right. So when the king denied that, what happened? They moved out of the assembly like a protest. And then they started with their own national assembly, and they started to draft the constitution. Those are all the things we have learned already. Let's see in today's class, we'll see about the continuation version, the outbreak of this French Revolution, that we'll see, that is National Assembly, and we'll see about constitutional monarchy, establishment of constitutional monarchy. What do you mean by all those things? And we'll go for recapitulation. Okay, fine, children. See, while the National Assembly was busy at Versailles drafting a constitution, the rest of the France seethed with turmoil. So what happened, children? We have seen that, this one, the National Assembly, that means the third estate people, the educated and the professionals, the rich people, they joined together and they promised that till the drafting of the constitution, they should not move out of that, which place? Tennis court in the Versailles. Okay. So they were drafting the constitution, the people, the third estate people who were, and the philosophers were supporting them. So they were drafting the constitution. Apart from those people, the rest of the France, what happened to them? They seethed with turmoil. They were very tensed, and there was no peace of mind with the people. Why? What was the reason? See, A severe winter had meant a bad harvest. The price of the bread rose. Often bakers exploited the situation and hoarded supplies. So, as we have already studied this one, we studied this, yes or no, children? That means the food, the bread, that is the staple food of those people was bread. So, even that prices of the food items has been increased. Okay, so the whatever the food items has been increased, but the salary of the people was not increased. So finally what happened? The people were struggling a lot. See here, often bakers exploited the situation and hoarded the supplies. So again, as we know that the producers are the sellers, what was their main idea, children? To make the profit. Yes or no? So that situation, what happened? They made this situation as a, the advantages, and they tried to take advantages, and they increased the prices of the, the food items, and there was a bad harvest, increased the population. So it was very difficult for the people even just to survive. They were struggling to survive. Okay, see. After spending hours in long queues at the bakery, crowds of angry women stormed into the shops. So they have to stand for the long queues just to take the bread in front of the bakeries. So what happens? Do you think the people will have that patience by paying so much of high amount? So by that, the many women got angry and they stormed into the shops. Okay, see. At the same time, the king ordered troops to move into the Paris. So in the beginning of the chapter we studied, there was a rumor. Guys, do you remember? Yes. So there was a rumor that, the king may order the troops to open fire on the people. Yes or no? So with that rumor only, the people started to, make a start with the militia, and they started to, the blast the Bastille, destroying of the Bastille. Yes or no, children? So the same, that is the situation here they are explaining. See, at the same time, the king ordered troops to move into the Paris. So the many people, they started to move into the Paris. Okay, see, on 14th July, the agitated crowd stormed and destroyed the Bastille. So this we have studied in the beginning only. Yes or no, children? So finally what happened? Many people, they joined together in front of the town hall, and then they formed the militia, and they attacked the Bastille, and the people who are in the prison, they try to remove them, free them out of that, and finally they stormed and they destroyed the Bastille. Yes or no, children? See, after that, in the countryside, in the city Paris, they have done like that. In the countryside, in some village side, what happened? See here, the rumors spread from village to village that the lords of the manor, that means the landlords, okay, will be having the, the most of the land, those people had hired bands of, the brigands who were on their way to destroy the ripe crops. So there was again one more rumor, that the rumor was spreading that the landlords, that means the people, what we will be calling the nobles, the landlords, they are hiring the people to destroy the ripe crops. So they again, the one more rumor spread. So by that, even the countryside people, see what they are doing. Caught in a frenzy of fear, the peasants in the several districts seized hoes and, see, the pitchforks, and attacked the chattox. So finally, the noble peoples and the landlords, what they were doing? This people, the peasants, they were in the fear that they may come and destroy the ripe, the whatever the grains they have grown. With that fear, those peasants, they attacked, and they were on the fire. They were trying to fire and attack the Chittox. That means the landlords are the noble people. Okay, finally, those people attacked the noble people. See, they looted, hoarded grain, and burnt down the documents containing records of manorial dues. So whatever the dues are the taxes which the peasants has to pay, so those documents they have burnt completely, and they looted the hoarded grains, whatever the stored grain was there, food grains. Okay, they were storing for the future benefit. Yes or no, children? So those grains they have looted, and they burnt the documents which that containing the records of manorial dues, which they have to pay the dues, the taxes which was due. That documents they completely burnt it. Okay, see, a large number of nobles fled from their homes, many of them migrating to neighboring countries. So what happened? The noble people, they started to get feared because these peasants, what they were doing? They were attacking the noble people, and they were firing on them, and they were trying to, destroy those people. Okay, so with that scare, with that fear, the many noble people, the large number of nobles, that is second estate people, they try to move out of their home, and the many of them try to migrate. Migrate means what, children? They try to move from one country to another country just to survive. Okay, they try to move from one country to another country, they try to shift from one country to another country just to survive. Okay, many of the noble people, they moved to the neighboring countries. Okay, see, faced with the power of his the revolting subjects, Louis XVI finally accorded recognition to the National Assembly and accepted the principle that his powers would from now on be checked by the Constitution. So finally what happened? By seeing all these problems, finally the third estate people, they started to attack the nobles, they started to destroy the records, all those things. They tried to loot the grains which has been stored. So by seeing all these problems, what the Louis XVI started to do? The Louis XVI finally accorded the recognition to the National Assembly. So finally, whatever the National Assembly's idea, he tried to accept that and accepted the principle that his powers would from now on be checked by a constitution. So that means the king will be there. Whatever the rules which he is following, he will take the decision. But whatever the decision he is taking, that will be checked by the constitution. Guys, understand properly. Okay, so here what they are telling, the Louis XVI accepted the National Assembly's constitution which has been drafted by the National Assembly of third estate people, but his powers, that means whatever the decisions he is taking, will be checked by the constitution. The king alone will not take the decision, that will be even observed and checked by the constitution. According to the constitution, according to the rules and regulations of the constitution only, he has to take the decision. That was a finally he has agreed for the recognition of the National Assembly and accepted the constitution. Okay, hope you guys understood, right? Because yes, the third estate people, the peasants, and all those people, they started to revolt against the Louis XVI and nobility people and the clergy people. Okay, because there was a rumor that the king is going to send the troop of people to open fire on the people, or else to destroy the ripened crops, all those things. So with that fear, the third estate people finally attacked the second estate, the nobles. Okay, by all, and finally with that fear, many noble peoples, they tried to migrate from one country to another country with that fear. Okay, so by seeing all these revolutionary activities, the Louis XVI accepted